Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. May I ask you some question?
Yes. Why not?
Okay, let's start. What's your name?
My name is Saiful Islam.
Where you come here?
I have come here for drinking bamboo.
Okay. How is the bamboo tea?
It is very delicious.
Okay. How much is this?
It's 20 taka.
Who is this owner this shop?
He is the owner of this shop.
Oh, yeah. Hey bro, come here. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Salman.
This are you owner this shop?
Yes.
Okay. Where is it located?
It's located beside of the Bhavni Bazaar.
Okay, that's all for about bamboo tea food station. See you again, inshallah. এই দোকানটি অবস্থিত আপনি বাজার থেকে পূর্ব দিকে আলী সারমান রোড দিয়ে উত্তর দিকে 2 কিলোমিটার আসবেন, তারপর আপনারা পেয়ে যাবেন বাসাচ্চা পুলিশ স্টেশন। এখানে আসলে আপনাদের সাথে আবার দেখা হবে ইনশাল্লাহ। আমি রাহাত আপনাদের সাথে থাকবো।